It's Memorial Day 2021. So we're 4.5 months into this build. The roof's on. It's been painted outside. We're waiting on stone. You can see there's still stone that needs to be put up. Around the outside, we got garage doors. It's looking real good. Most of the work's inside. I want to show you now. See what you can expect. 4.5 months. Now we've had some delays. The delays have been with siding. So that's siding's on. And that's helped us move forward with a lot of things. But like I said, most of the work's going to be in here, so let's have a look. All the trim work is done now, and the trim turned out really good. This is the front door here, and all the trim work that went around the front door. Front door itself's out in the garage. I'll show you that. Trim up around the dormer window. And the entry. So I'll have a look around. Show you some of the detail. So the cabinets have now started. The trim work consists of also the shelving in the closets. So this is just one of the linen closets. See all the wall textures done, paint, closet doors. Every door is in the garage right now, and they did that just because they don't want the garage, the doors banged up. So we still have this work to be done, and what they're doing is all basically on the wall there. Shower will be all Florida tile, and we look at the tile. We come through with a tile guy on Wednesday. Today is Monday, so in 2 days we're going to go through all the tile work with the tile guy. We're going to meet him here. This is the back bedroom. We're also ready for the flooring to be done. So as soon as these cabinets are finished, then the flooring is going to start getting done. Electrical can get done. It, opens the door for a lot of things. There's our wood mantle, our walnut mantle. And this will be floor to ceiling stone all the way up. And they still have the hearth. They're going to build a hearth here. So that'll be really nice. But this is that live edge walnut mantle. A little dusty there, but you can see the trim guy did a really good job with this. All right. That was the trim guy who did all the trim. Really good job. So here's a look at our kitchens coming together. The little island there in the middle, all the cabinetry, and you can see they're basically working to these plans. This is all the cabinets and what they're doing with all the different cabinets. Looks just like it's a plan, so that's good. They're keeping track of the schedule, making sure everything's getting ticked off and getting done. And here's all the selections that they need to refer to something. So let's have a look here. Now we've got, this is a combination wine and coffee bar. So in the center there's going to be a little wine fridge that goes in the center of that. Countertops will all be quartzite. So the countertop guy is going to come in and do all of this template work, hopefully next week. And there's still a lot to be done in here, but I think they'll get done within the next 2 days on this part. The den, there's a lot of work going on here in the den. I'll give you a quick look at what the plan is for this. All right. So all that work's getting done. So far, so good. Let's have a look at this pantry. I think it's mostly done in here. So we've got all this cabinetry. And these are all soft close doors here. Every single one of them is. So meaning that when you push it in, it just kind of goes in by itself. All of them do that. So kind of a nice feature. This is going to be a sink going in here. So the plumbing should be in there, yeah. Hot and cold water and everything. So this is all going to be quartzite counters all the way across. And we got all these plugs. So this is just going to be really a working pantry. If we want to do some canning or any kind of, big jobs, this is where it happens. So this is, again, the pantry. You can see all these cabinets, lots of storage. Once the countertops are in there, it's going to look really good. Yeah. So this part's mostly done. That was a big part of their job. Fridge space. And yeah, still quite a bit to be done. Here's our island. We have trash can holders. There's actually 2 trash cans in there, already there. It's going to be our sink. Going in there. And this is going to be a dishwasher. So again, kind of get a perspective, looking around how they've got it going here. Again, if you looked at my first video and you saw this on paper, watching it come to reality is really an amazing thing. This is the mud room. Really happy with the way this has turned out. Closet there. The furnace is actually working, so they got this temporary thermostat on here in the furnace. They need to turn it on to help things dry faster. They've been doing that. Here's the laundry room. So this is going to be a quartzite counter, and then the washer and dryer next to it. And I'll explain when I talk about the quartzite and why I picked quartzite over granite over quartz. I'll let you know why I did that, because that was a big decision going with quartzite. And quartzite is not cheap, but it's fantastic. So this is walking into the master closet. Solid cabinetry in here is done. These are actually shoe racks. They're angled. Except for the middle ones, they're just flat, but those are angled on either side for shoes. And again, this is just massive amounts of closet space. Let's looking back into the laundry. Here is the master bathroom. Linen closet. We're gonna have double mirrors. And that's the vanity down there. So that's gonna be a drawer and just open for a chair. Plug on the wall. Again, these are all soft close. This will all be quartzite, all on here. And this will all be porcelain tile floor that's, well, when you see it, you'll be taken away with it, I'm sure. This will all be floor to ceiling tile in the walk-in shower. So, again, that's the master bathroom, closet, and back in the master bedroom. All the trim work looks really good. Views up the back are amazing on our 2 acres. We'll have a wall-mounted TV. And let's go out in the garage and have a look at the garage doors. Passing by the mudroom. So we've got smart programmable controllers. We got 3. This is for switches for the Christmas lights. We got 3 Christmas light outlets outside. I don't know if I'm going to use them for Christmas lights. And then this is just all the door, or all the garage bay lighting. Lots of plugs. So here we go. This is the garage doors. Those are extra thick, heavily insulated. They're like a almost 2-inch thick door with smart lift masters. The center door is a 12-foot door, so you can get an RV in here. And yeah, you can get a good perspective. Here's all the doors. Here's our tile. So the tile's been delivered. It's not all here, but most of it's here. This is actually the tile going on the shower floors. We're going with a pebble. And you can't really see it here, but this is, if you look at that, that's actually porcelain. It looks like wood, but that's going in the bathroom floors. So again, this is going to be quite interesting when you see it. We still have some plumbing to do, which that's going to happen maybe next week. Here's every door for the house. And here's our front door, which is a knotty alder front door. It's all ready to go on. And that's the garage. This is the 200 amp main service, and there's another 200 amp service on the outside, which I've shown in another video. So we got 400 amps feeding the house. And that's it. That's all I want to show you. So that's where we are. Memorial Day weekend. We are 4.5 months into this build, and that's what we have. Looking really good. Super happy with it so far. And, well, we'll just see if we hit the July move-in date, but that's where we are today. Thanks for watching.